That's right. Good girl. Come on.
Mama, I will miss my cozy bed.
Good night, guys.
I'm really going to miss these evenings. Just us. है ना? I'm gonna miss these little moments.
Seriously, guys? Just a 2-week vacation.
It's never easy to leave your home, especially one furnished with Interio. Furniture inspired by moments that matter.
Chalo!
Interio by Godrej.